Chris, and this is my inflatable Christmas decoration video. So I'm 36 and I've never bought a Christmas decoration in my life. They had a demo of this one in the store and I could not resist it. I had to buy it. It is illuminated. You got to pay attention to that. Is it going to light up at night? And this one does something super cool that you're going to see in a little bit. Let's open it up, check it out. Let's get it outside and see what it looks like and what it does. So one thing people don't think about is the extension cord you're gonna need. This is 100 feet, this is a heavy duty one. Don't put an orange one out there in your freaking grass. Get a green one or brown. I couldn't really find this one on the internet clearly listed, so you might have to search around if you want this exact one. I'll try to put a link in the description. So I got this at Ace Hardware in Huffman, Texas. It was $97 after tax and everything. And remember to save your box and take pictures of the way it was folded in there so we can store it after Christmas. So I have another channel called Chris Craft. It's my main YouTube channel. And you'd be surprised how many times I go back and watch those videos to catch something like this. Like, how was this packed in there? First time with one of these, I have no idea what it comes with. Let's just see. All right, so it's all in a bag. And I want to thank all y'all that came over from my card channel. I really, really appreciate that. See, them other guys, they're not going to be able to see this cool stuff. All right, so it's got some anchors. I'm going to look over the instructions and we're just going to follow them. So the first thing it says is to make sure that these 4 clips of the fabric are attached to the base. So that's there. Okay, now it says to make sure that the air intake right here at the bottom is just free of any strings or material or trash. It's going to snap. So this is what it comes with. Now these little metal things are what you're going to use to secure the feet to the ground and the dirt. And then you're going to use this and the string to kind of level it out. I'm not going to talk too much out there because I don't want my neighbors to think I'm crazy, but let's go watch this thing get set up. It's a little more tricky than I thought, and I'm glad I'm making this video. All right, so this being the first time ever putting up Christmas decorations, you got to figure out where on earth do you put them in the first place. Right there. So you can't see it, but the 4 legs we're going to secure with this. All right, so we got the extension cord out here. We're going to attempt to inflate him for the first time. So that's like the coolest thing I've ever seen, but now we need to secure him from falling over. Okay, so you take your stakes and your string, you're just trying to secure him with 4 points. So we got the cords attached and we just want to run them down with the stake. Okay, you got one behind him and then on both sides. So it's a little tricky to install, but it was not hard at all. It only took about 15 minutes, and that thing is so freaking cool. And it's tall, it's 6 feet tall. It's big. Okay, now I understand why people buy more and more of these, because that's awesome. All right, well, that's just celebrating the cold weather finally coming, and it finally feels like winter. Because yesterday was 80 degrees with 80% humidity. Felt like trash. All right, so for $100, I totally love this thing, and his shirt says chillin' with my Snowmies. And somebody like me, I'm gonna have to unplug this guy about 12 o'clock because I already know somebody's gonna steal him or pop him or destroy him. So let's see what kind of music this guy actually dances to. the house is not officially done on the outside, but hopefully it will be next year. We'll get some lights up. Future video. Those are the guns I was talking about. But for now, this is all I'm gonna do. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.